What if the building blocks of tomorrow came from nature itself? Here, we see three unique rectangular samples, each revealing a distinct texture and form. These aren't just art pieces, they hint at a revolution in material science. Mycelium, the root network of fungi, is being transformed into durable components for bricks, furniture, and more. Its organic origins provide strength and versatility, while its textures echo the earthiness of natural materials. Why choose mycelium? The answer lies in sustainability. Imagine wandering through a forest and discovering a dense cluster of cream-colored mushrooms nestled among moss and soil. This is where the journey begins. Mycelium grows beneath our feet, weaving an invisible web that binds organic matter. Harnessing this living network, scientists cultivate mycelium into solid forms, creating strong yet lightweight materials. It's an ancient process, now fueling innovative design. Could something as humble as fungi reshape how we build our world? Traditional building relies on stone, soil, and rock, materials shaped over millennia. This collection of geological samples highlights the variety and complexity of what's been used for centuries. But as we face environmental challenges, we need alternatives that are both robust and responsible. Mycelium offers a solution. It mimics the durability of stone while being renewable and biodegradable. By drawing inspiration from nature's own engineering, we're reimagining what our buildings can be. Step inside a modern gallery where textured sculptures bask in natural light. These abstract forms may seem purely artistic, but they're often crafted from innovative materials, sometimes even mycelium composites. The message on the wall, "Work less," hints at efficiency. Mycelium structures grow with minimal energy input, unlike traditional manufacturing. Art and science converge here, demonstrating that sustainable materials can be both beautiful and functional. What if our creative spaces inspired greener ways to build? In urban environments, striking installations like this cylindrical pavilion invite us to rethink public spaces. Imagine these panels made from mycelium, lightweight, insulating, and compostable after use. People gather around, interacting with structures that are not only innovative, but also environmentally conscious. Against an industrial backdrop, such designs challenge us to blend art, architecture, and sustainability. Could the next generation of city landmarks be grown instead of built? At MoMA's outdoor courtyard, massive towers rise, built from stacked white bricks with reflective tops. It's not just an art piece, it's a glimpse into the future of construction. Mycelium bricks can be molded into creative shapes while offering excellent insulation and strength. Visitors move around these organic forms, experiencing how beauty and sustainability can coexist. As cities grow, could mycelium redefine the skyline with structures that are as green as they are groundbreaking? Stone tiles have always symbolized strength and longevity, but they come at an environmental cost. Now, mycelium-based tiles offer similar textures and resilience with far less impact on our planet. Each tile here tells a story of natural wear and intricate patterns, reminding us that sustainable alternatives don't mean sacrificing aesthetics or durability. By choosing mycelium for our homes and furniture, we're paving the way for a future where innovation grows from the ground up. Let's start at the very beginning, with mycelium, the living root network of fungi. Here you see brown mushrooms sprouting from a dense block of mycelium substrate. This remarkable material acts like nature's glue, binding organic matter together. Imagine harnessing this biological process not just to grow mushrooms, but to create sustainable building blocks. Mycelium's ability to transform waste into strong, interlocking structures is what makes it so promising for eco-friendly construction. Now, take a closer look at these stacked blocks, each made from natural, textured materials. These aren't ordinary bricks. They're grown, not fired. By cultivating mycelium with agricultural byproducts, we get sturdy, lightweight building blocks that are fully compostable. The rough, fibrous textures you see are proof of their organic origins. Mycelium bricks offer a renewable alternative to concrete, dramatically reducing carbon footprints while blending seamlessly into sustainable architecture. But how do mycelium-based materials stack up against traditional choices? Here, 7 stone and tile samples are arranged to showcase a spectrum of colors and textures. from earthy browns to soft beiges. Mycelium composites can be engineered to mimic these familiar surfaces while remaining lighter and more eco-friendly. Imagine your next kitchen or workspace finished with materials that aren't just beautiful, but also biodegradable and low impact. That's innovation rooted in nature. To truly appreciate mycelium's magic, let's return to its wild origins. Picture this dense cluster of cream-colored mushrooms thriving on a mossy forest floor. In nature, mycelium quietly recycles nutrients and binds soil, playing a vital ecological role. Scientists and designers now harness this same power, cultivating mycelium in controlled settings to create materials that are strong yet entirely natural. The forest floor becomes a model for tomorrow's green construction. Imagine a world where buildings grow like trees. This surreal structure with mushroom-like canopies hints at what's possible when we blend biology and design. Mycelium's versatility inspires architects to rethink how we build. Instead of relying solely on steel or concrete, we can shape living materials into breathtaking forms. Such concepts are more than science fiction. They're the future of regenerative architecture, where our built environment collaborates with nature. Sustainability isn't limited to large structures. Mycelium is also revolutionizing furniture design. In this cozy living room, woven chairs and tables echo the intricate patterns found in roots and branches. These pieces are not only visually striking, they're crafted from biodegradable materials that leave minimal environmental impact. Imagine relaxing in a space where every item supports a healthier planet, where comfort and conscience go hand in hand. So why choose mycelium for bricks, building, or furniture? These earthy cubes symbolize a shift toward regenerative materials, substances that restore as they're used. The organic root-like structures remind us that mycelium connects and strengthens ecosystems beneath our feet. By embracing this natural technology, we build spaces that are not only innovative and durable, but truly sustainable for generations to come.